Hi everyone, this is Max from National Powersports. This 2007 Harley-Davidson XL883L SPORTSTER SUPERLOW TRIKE with only 2,851 miles runs and rides well. If you were in the market for a small, easy-to-manage trike, this may be a good choice. In addition to the trike kit, it's been upgraded with a Vance & Hines exhaust, rider floorboards, an engine guard, and a steering damper. The Sportster would be a great choice in a first Harley, with a low seat height, reliable performance, and tight handling. Powered by an 883cc V-twin engine with a 5-speed transmission, the Sportster Low produces 55 foot-pounds of torque at 3,500 RPM. In stock form, it has a seat height of 26.3 inches and a dry weight of 563 pounds. To pass New Hampshire state inspection, this bike will need a belt guard installed and an exhaust that falls within New Hampshire decibel limits. To see everything we know about this vehicle, including full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports, the service repair order, high-resolution photos, and more, please review the listing on our website. We have also purchased a Cycle Checks Vehicle History Report. You can view this report by clicking the link on the right side of the video.